This is the first video in a number that we would like to do to be more educational so that our clients can learn more about different things that affect their financial plan. And one of the first ones that we thought we'd talk about is estate planning. Estate planning is very important because you want to know exactly how your assets go to the next generation. Too many times people get an estate plan done also that they do not explain to us exactly what the provisions are, and therefore if the attorney doesn't tell us, we need to title the assets properly so it makes sure it fits your particular documents that you've set up in your estate plan. I think the other thing is there's oftentimes stocks that are held at the transfer agent that you may get these quarterly checks or dividend reinvestment that ultimately cause a problem for an estate plan because those trust titlings are not done at the transfer agent. These are two things that we can help with and we see too often that really cost people in the long run when they go to settle their estate. The other big thing that we see with clients are their beneficiary designations. It seems so simple that most people would say they would put those designations as equal, but some often say, well, I think and trust this one child to provide and pass on to the others. I think it's most important that whatever you want done, you spell that out clearly in your beneficiaries, because what happens on that one particular person who might be thought of to spread out to the other three children, what ends up happening is, especially with an IRA, there are tax implications that you may not have thought of that would adversely affect the one child to give those assets to your other children, and therefore causing possibly friction amongst those living heirs. So I think it's important to spell out completely exactly what you want done through beneficiaries and certainly your overall estate plan. These are just some of the things we see as we talk with people related to their financial plan and their estate plan. So feel free to reach out with additional questions, and we hope this video has been helpful to better understand some of your estate planning options. Thank you.